Unlocking everyday phrases. Get things underway. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a very common phrase you might hear in both casual and formal settings. Get things underway. Understanding phrases like these can really boost your fluency and confidence in English. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Get things underway is a phrase that means to start something or to begin a process. It's often used when initiating activities, projects, events, or any sequence of actions. This phrase is versatile and can be applied in various contexts, ranging from casual gatherings to formal meetings. The beauty of "get things underway" lies in its ability to convey the initiation of something without specifying the manner of the start. It's all about the action of beginning. To truly grasp the usage of "get things underway," it's helpful to see it in action. Here are a few examples. In a meeting, let's get things underway by reviewing the agenda. At an event, welcome, everyone. We're about to get things underway with our opening ceremony. In personal projects, I'm excited to finally get things underway with my home renovation. These examples show how the phrase can seamlessly fit into various scenarios, highlighting its utility in English communication. Expanding your vocabulary is always a good idea. Knowing synonyms or related phrases can help you express the same idea in different ways. Here are a few alternatives to "get things underway." Start off, kick off, begin, commence, initiate. Each of these can be used depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey, from the more formal, commence, to the more casual, kick off. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "get things underway." We hope this video has enlightened you on its usage and how it can enhance your English communication. Remember, learning these common phrases can make a big difference in sounding natural and fluent in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use "get things underway" in your next conversation or project start. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.